Now my interval level is around 7 seconds as said. Now if I try to disturb the sensor, you see that green LED going off and on. Let me see what a vibration data I will be generating for 5 seconds. You see that there is an increase in sharp rise in vibration data for which a trigger has happened in this board. Now upon reduction in the trigger, you will see this LED going off. You see that? Now these two boards are completely different. This is powered by a common supply, it should be, but this board is running your message reception code and taking a trigger action, and this is trying to send you only temperature, humidity and vibration data. Now I can generate different kind of applications from this. Like if suppose my temperature in my home is more than 20 degrees, I should just automatically trigger an action of switching on an AC. So such kind of operations we can perform. I think you have understood. This supply is like, I am powering this board through a common supply. This is a board as I've shown you. This is a USB powered. I just powering it through my USB cable, and this is the vibration sensor. Vibration caused in this is triggering an action in this. Once the vibration is off, there is no vibration. If it is less than 1, this will automatically get switched off. You see that? This is the beauty of IoT. No decision making, nothing code is happening in the board. Decision making is happening at the server itself. I think this makes you understand better about how to use IoT actually in field. Thank you.